The power cord passes through the cord guard as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord guard gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord guard is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear housing from the grinder. Now remove the cord clamp. I'll note the location of the cord wires and remove them next. Now remove the cord and the protector from the housing. Now I can install the new cord guard. I'll insert the cord wires through the housing and then insert the wires through the cord guard. I'll push the guard into the housing. And now I can reconnect the cord wires to the grinder. And now I'll reconnect the cord clamp. And I'll finish by placing the springs back over the brushes and installing the housing. And that's how easy it is to install a new cord guard on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.